Airport. This is my... Wala. This is my fit for today. Plan is actually to check in at 2. Pero kasi parang naisip namin na it's too long na to wait. Kasi we arrive around 11 a.m. So we decided na let's just pay $20 to check in earlier and to prep. And yeah, here's my... This is my bestie. So bring a fan. Hey guys, we're here at Maxwell Food Court. We're gonna eat our lunch here and let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, nice baby. Charot. Let's go na. There are so many options, like I don't know what to buy. I wasn't able to look at TikTok to like, you know, get some mga recos. So, kung unsay hassle pila, dito na lang kami.
One rice, two rice.
Yeah, add rice.
Taste test, bestie. Really? How much is it? $8?
10. Thank you. Bye.
Nag-order sa cookie ng Bacha Coffee. Alam mo. Kami guys, kayo. Wala na may kwarta. Budget to $10 na.
Anong dahon?
Cilantro ni rice? No, cilantro. Kundi lang ano, Vietnamese food.
Lagi. Parang yun na sa Vietnam.
Pero pwede man ka mamili, di ba? Kung pwede yung book ng cilantro order.
Hindi na siya the same.
Ha?
Disrespectful na ito.
Hindi na siya the same. Oh, uy. Ito nga, ito nga. So, $10 times for 400.
Okay na, ito na. Worth it.
Yeah.
So, ano magagawork doon, there?
Layo. Sana.
So, tapos yung linyahan per me.
Lami man.
So we're done eating and we're on our way to Chinatown. So we're gonna go there via MRT lang kasi it's cheaper, it's faster, it's efficient. Very solid for 400. I think we spent 20 SGD and really good. Sobrang, the thing lang with Singapore is sobrang init here. So bring umbrella or a portable fan with you. But when you go naman to establishment, super lamig. So like me right now, nilalamig na ako and I'm wearing sleeveless. Good luck to me!
Pagka nag-clubs yun, actually
We're here at Chinatown. We're at Chinatown. So this is like near lang man sa Maxwell Mall. You just have to like ride 3 or 2 trains and then you're here na. So main reason here is just to buy pasalubong, like knickknacks for my friends and family. Yun lang. Ginawa na lang namin first day kasi we just really wanted to go to Orchard. And then this is like near lang sa Orchard. So like, okay, why not? Let's just buy na lang pasalubong sa Chinatown. Para isang lakad na lang siya. That's it.
nakabog.
Ito?
Sa Watermelon Singapore. Nai difference. Watermelon sa difference.
Ako na to ng watermelon sa Malay-Balay.
Oh, tapos yung
Yeah.
difference.
Hindi kayo siya tamis sa...
Hindi sa tamis. Mas tamis sa Malay-Balay. Ilan man lang.
Dollar.
I-recommend ba din mo sa ako?
Oh, kung hindi kayo makaon.
Nice review.
Nawala na yung kalipong. Coffee. First coffee of the day. First of many. Charot.
I love those.
Tapos yung nagbibigay na na malin. Yung
Wala na Takashimaya na around.
So, we're here at Orchard. Isa na yung sa likod. Apil-apil lagi ka, sir.
Korean. Are you a Singaporean?
Are you Singaporean?
Yes.
Halabi, doner, oh. Di ba you like doner?
Yeah.
Lagi. Uy, ano to? Lantaw lang ta. Lantaw, ragor ta. Anana ko, ana, girl. Kompleto na ko Tiger Balm.
Buy one, take 5.
Wow! Midpoint. We're gonna go to a board game shop to fulfill his board game dreams.
Makakatulog na siya. Game shop.
Go, B!
So the first also finish takes the cards one.
We're gonna eat. We're gonna have a buffet. Oh, actually, this is like a buffet. Like chicken and then auntie side dish. It's day 2. Look at my fit. Look at that. It's flower. Because we're going to Flower Dome. But not sure yet because we're first gonna go to the Big 3 and then we'll decide if we're gonna go to Flower Dome. Because they have tulips right now. And tulips is my favorite flower, so... Pero I don't know pa. Depende. Kasi mahal din entrance. Like, around 1,000 pesos. Big trio. Init kayo, guys. Like, mas init sa Philippines. Pero ang kainit ng Udiri, kay more na siya o ka nang wala na yung mo.
Hotel and this one together. Okay.
So, we're going to the Skyway. We're paying big ass amount just to cross the Skyway. $14. Yeah. It's okay.
Nice.
It's really nice here, guys. This is the Marina Bay Sands. The Marina! Okay, okay. Reply sa Rochelle.
Hi.
Wow, let's moving tayo. Let's moving.
bulaklak. Diba? Told you.
Kailangan naman kay Polaroid.
Okay, may nasundo sa ipon.
Hey guys, we're here at Orchard again. We were supposed to go Flower Dome, pero kasi mahal nga. So, and yung second day naman kasi is a bit libre. So like, okay, let's go to Orchard na lang kasi we weren't able to go to Alchemist yesterday and we're supposed to go there. Like Singapore.
Yeah. I don't like it.
Yeah, I kind of like it too. It's like a mall. Yeah. But we got the Salomon shoes for a cheaper price because if you remember, you get 5% off and you also get a tax refund if you buy 100 and up. Pero not included the restaurants or cafes. So, there's that. I really like that we can walk around.
Alchemist guy.
I think just straight lang. And then like, but like the downside to yours, the con, is it's really humid, like very hot in here. Like even if you're like wearing a bikini, siguro you get sweat. Because I was wearing a backless yet kanina. I still have like a lot of sweat. Until now, I still get sweat, so that's one thing. And even if it rains, hapon siya. I don't know why. But we tried walking around Lavender Street. Like, na siya hangin, so I think that's good. We're going to Alchemist, by the way. Yeah, it's a good coffee. I hope it has a good coffee. Because if not, I'm gonna go bliss. Hey, ma'am.
Saan na Alchemist? Saan kape?
This is for espresso. I'm gonna buy this for my friend.
Dali kayo.
Good na spa, MJ.
Bakit?
Dito mautong gabi.
Asa diya?
Anong likod sa Carlton?
Sa ako, sa ako.
Isa man na.
Vegetation.
Okay. We're here at Fort Canning Park. Yung original plan is to go here tomorrow before going to Birds of Paradise. Pero kasi, nadaanan na namin siya. So we're like, let's move out. Baba na tayo from the bus. Okay. So we're here. And we really wanna go here din. Kasi meron party to sa place na it's really cool. And gusto ko na mag-photo with a different dress. Pero, nalit na tayo. So, might as well go here. Hey guys, we're here at Hawker. Pero masosyal siya ng Hawker because it's located inside the Marina Bay Mall. So yeah, I ordered this one. Like, nakita ako siya sa akong natabuan na foreigner and then we asked them, what did you order? It looks so good. So like, I'm gonna order. And then I also ordered drinks. I really love Coke Zero, but they don't have one. So I wonder. Crazy because pareho na silang price. $2. Hello. What we ordered. This is mine. It's my best friend.
Yawa. Yawa. Epidemic do. Imnata ng tubig. Dapat mga makabalusin ka.
Uy, nag-learn lang.
Guys, good morning. This is my fit because we're going to Bird's Paradise today. I'm so excited. We're just gonna go get a grab. Actually, it's here. We're using Gojek. So, because it's cheaper. Kapoy naman kung may maglakaw. Tapos, lakaw may 800 meters before we reach the first bus stop. Dito may more right for Manday. So, like, you know what? Let's just get grab. Gojek, I mean. My voice sounds like this because of the drastic change in weather. Because gahapon, it was really sunny and then raining na po and sunny. So, nabuang na akong immune system. Hence the voice.
And the zoo is behind. Then we have another zoo. We got the Singapore Zoo. We got the night safari, and we have another all together.
Yeah, it's
All together.
on one place.
Nakalapit sa Dole. Sa Dole, di ba? Flying post like a bird. Lower the board. Oh!
Here at heart of Africa. Yung nga. Uy, napunsunod. He's always there. He's not flying or something. Say hello. Imposter man eh. Weird kasi naman yung mag-tubig. Uyog siya dito. Pwede ka mag-jump.
Yes.
Ano ka to? Moving Happy Feet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mga tong na yung mga gigukod sila, killer whales. Diba?
Umayo siya musayaw. $150 pesos. $150. So if you're here, you can bring your own tumbler and you can also bring lunch and snacks. Rasulan manggod ko, so I'll just buy. Kuan, bi ka ng lamira ang tubig.
Hello.
Nabi, tukwanon ka na. Pagmulan sa imuha, ayaw lang daw kahadlok.
Dagan kay Facebook. Why again? What are you getting?
Sea salt cottage chocolate.
Sea salt?
Yeah.
What did I say? What did I say? What did I say?
So you can try your secret.
Okay.
Ate ko! Bye-bye! See you tomorrow. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Ate ko!
See you, Karna.
Hello guys, we're going to Bugis. We're gonna meet Clyde there and then nag-change out with us. So this is my third.
Same, ano po sila sa motor, like, limit kasad.
Oh, eh, dili jaga pangit sila lane. Stay in yo.
Here at Arab Street, but we're like going to the Haji Lane because dili magkuan ta mag-photo. Later na ta mag-photo sa ta.
Nami sa Arab. Uy, ako bilbil!
Ako mga bilbil.
Dito pa yung Arab. Tabok-tabok pa dito. Hindi ka dalan. Labang, mulabang mi guys. Parang yan yun paglabang. Uy, ako bilbil na!
Hello.
Dari na ka.
Okay, siya may tour guide diri kay tourism yan na siya.
Ako bilbil.
Lain ka ay mong na permit. Mabukod. Ang mga Haji Lane.
Di ba bawal?
Well, dili man tayo tourist spot. Murag entry for Muslim. Ah, bi mo doon ay Kampong Glam, bi. Ay, hala, nice view. Picture na na. Musa na?
Kung gusto mo ba?
Hala, kuan, bi.
Ang touristy na picture dito na ako sa Arden. Tapos, muna yung background.
Ah, okay. Sige, picture na natin ka. So cute! Oh my gosh.
Just 1 month ago.
Pwede mag-ano.
Probably sometime in August, and I'm spending the summer in Singapore. I'm so sad I can't tell you shit